Wake up, it's time to wake up. Baby.
5 more minutes.
5 minutes later.
Okay, get up now, no more minutes. We are going to have our earthquake drill today.
Oh my god, why do we even have to do that, Mom?
It's for our safety. The news is all about earthquakes, and we have to do it. No more questions. Get up. Now. Get up. What are you doing?
Fine.
Okay, now we'll be having our earthquake preparedness because as you can see on the news, there's a lot of earthquake happening in our country, there and everywhere. We have to be prepared. We're not wishing for an earthquake, but we have to be ready and prepared, okay?
Okay, Mom.
And this is the sign that there is an earthquake. You see, or fire or something wrong in this house. And if you heard this sound, you have hide under something that you can protect your head. Gets? Hide something like under the table and then do the
Duck cover hole.
Yes, very good. After that, count from 1 to 60 seconds. And if the earthquake stops, you go outside in a clear area. We gather outside. Okay. That's it. And before anything else, this is our first aid kit. And if someone got hurt, you can use this to treat. Okay? Treat them. And yes, that's it. You can do whatever you want. What do you want for snack? I'll cook for you. Anything.
Banana peel and juice.
Mocha juice. Okay. Wait. Is that an earthquake? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, there's an earthquake! Earthquake!
$1,059, $1,060. I think it's time for us to go outside. Let's go outside.
Let's go!
Hoy,
Dami na Where's Rupian?
Mom, I'm here!
Oh my gosh, what happened to you? Let's go outside.
Ay, grabe, yung suko.
Are you fine? Are you okay?
I'm okay, Mom.
Is anybody injured? Oh my gosh, Rupian, what happened to you? I'll just check inside and I'll be back with the first aid kit, okay? Stay
Okay,
here.
Mom, take
Stay
care.
here. Here's the first aid kit. Let me look. This is why being ready and being prepared is important. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom. I'm sorry if we're not listening to you. Sorry.
It's fine. Important this time is nobody is very injured, okay?
Thank you for the information, Mom. Now we know what to do in case earthquake happen again. Okay, let's just pray and thank God for safety.
The next day.
Hi, good morning. What can I help you?
Good morning, ma'am. We're here to check on possible risks concerning your LPG and electrical circuits.
Yeah, come in, come here. Okay, so here's our LPG, and then you can just go there for the fuse, and then you can roam around for the wirings. Okay?
The power of boys!
Ma'am, we're done checking and in your house and everything's good.
We've checked all your properties and there seem to be no damages at all.
Thank you for testing us.
Yeah, it's also my pleasure. And thank you also for your time and effort.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Bye. Stay safe.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
What